Siguro, I was medyo na-surprise ng konti kasi not really, hindi ako masyadong surprise kasi knowing how Coach Pido is not implementing it, but it's one of the signs or like one of the motto kung paano mo ipapakita sa team mo on how are you committed and just on how are you committed with the team that you're in. And yun, nagtanong naman yung mga players na pumayag naman, kaya that's a sign of you're being committed to the team. And even though it didn't really resulted in a lot of wins, syempre makikita mo yung camaraderie, yung united, the team being united. That's a good sign and remark. Sa team na galing sa team na nagde-develop pa lang, and I'm sure that a lot of USP or a lot of Tomasan knows that this team will napataas ng team natin papunta ulit sa final. So that's